Hello guys, welcome to this very unique video and the first one of hopefully many. Today I'm announcing that I am giving away for free to download the Pokeball model. That way anybody that is interested in still following along but doesn't want to create the Pokeball and they just want to mess around, here it is. Also, please do not sell the actual model. You guys can do anything creative with it, render, animation, whatever you guys want, but the actual model, it just wouldn't be a nice thing to do. If you're gonna do, please let me know. And talking about the model, it's a pretty small file. We have a subsurface modifier, and the actual model is pretty low poly, as you can tell right here. And yeah, so I hope everyone now more people can follow along. See you guys on the next video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you guys would like models like this for free from time to time. And thank you. I'll see you on the next one. I should be uploading the video later today. Okay.